Hi guys, Steve Towers here, your host for the Accredited Customer Experience Professional Day in Denver, Dallas, or Washington, DC. I just wanted to give you a quick overview about what it's going to be about. It's going to be very hands-on, very practical. We're going to have some exercises, the latest case studies, and so on. 4 themes to talk about. Theme number 1 is really about this changing face of customer experience, and how we can really now connect the dots between customer experience and that triple crown thing, that ability to simultaneously grow revenues, improve service, and reduce costs. And is that an affirmation of CX? Yeah, brilliant. We'll be talking about some latest recent case studies in the last 2 or 3 years where people have done precisely that in double-digit percentages. Our second theme will be getting into customer categorization. Now, traditionally, many of us may be familiar with customer segmentation, but these days that doesn't give us enough of a focus in truly what the customer needs are and how we build and design products, service and processes and systems to actually deliver successful customer outcomes. So we'll be going through that, looking at templates, looking at recent case studies, and there's some additional videos to provide for you in that context as well. All the way through it'll be highly interactive, so I'll be taking questions, and you let me worry about needing to ski off piste for a while if we're figuring out some of the more detailed questions. I'll stick to the agenda and get us through it during the day. The third theme is in and around this idea of outside-in thinking. Now, what do I mean by that? Traditionally, we've bounded our thinking by what our organization does. But as most of us know, the customer experience is much broader than that. It starts when the need arises, and it isn't finished till the need is actually delivered as a successful customer outcome. Once again, we'll look at case studies. You're going to do exercises based around your own work and your own understanding, and I'll be evaluating those exercises as you go. So the really cool news is there's no test at the end of this. What I'll be doing is making sure that you understand the protocols that we're going through and you get the customer experience management method to take away with you and then actually hit the ground running and be able to implement it from the get-go as soon as you're back in the workplace. And our fourth and final theme is around the successful customer outcome canvas. Now, what's that, you ask? It's another template that's used very successfully in some very well-known organizations, which allows them to start from a customer's persona and drill down to the extent that they can create a set of metrics which tell us that we're actually delivering their need and achieving the successful customer outcome. Through the whole day, we'll be having breaks, we'll be talking, we'll be chatting. Everything's going to be recorded. You're going to get all the material. You're going to get a bunch of books, both electronically and physically, plus also some resources that are not publicly available that will only be provided for you as ACXPs. At the end of the day, I'll be looking across the teams and the view of the room and then letting you know what the next steps are. So with that in mind, I look forward to seeing you in the room. Click the link somewhere around me here, and I look forward to seeing you very soon for the Accredited Customer Experience Professional One-Day Program. Cheers, guys. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.